This controller has a screen, and it's not just for show, it actually changes the way you play. Meet the Manba One, a sleek futuristic controller that feels just as good as it looks. From the very first moment it gives off that premium vibe. But it's not just about the looks, every angle reveals something refined, something wholly neat in the hand feels natural. The grips aren't too bulky, the texture is soft, and everything sits where it should. Ergonomics are on point, it just clicks with your hands. There is confidence in how it moves, lightweight but not cheap, balanced and well built. And the sticks, these are Hall effect joysticks, no drift, super smooth movement, and precision that actually makes a difference in game. The click is satisfying, responsive and reliable. Now here's where the things get really interesting. The built-in screen lets you access full settings right from the controller. No app, no hassle. From lighting effects, button behavior, macros, profiles, it's all here, clean and intuitive. You want to remap buttons? It takes seconds. Each of the 4 back buttons is customizable. A second combos, set macros, or toggle functions instantly. Switching between devices is smooth and seamless. PC, Nintendo Switch, Android, iOS, just choose your mode on the screen and you're good to go. Battery life clearly visible at all times. No more guessing if it's about to die mid-game. You've got up to 20 hours on the full charge. And when you're done, just drop it on the dock. Simple, clean, no cables needed. Visually, the Manba One feels like something from the future. The screen gives its personality, the form factor gives it precise. So it's perfect? No, but it's powerful, future-rich and honestly fun to use? Absolutely. For under $70, the Manba One offers more than most big-name controllers ever dared to. And the screen, it's not just cool, it's useful.